I'm gonna go in with my Chi Chi lip liner. This is finished. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brown Panda Beauty, and people who are returning to my YouTube channel, I'm so sorry. I have been MIA on my Instagram, Facebook, and even on YouTube because I just wanted some time out for myself due to some personal situations that happened. I just wanted to take a break, just get into the right mindset, and also the world's going crazy, so I just want a little time out for myself just to reset myself, and I think I've done it. I'm not sure, but it looks like it. I have. So apologies for not being online and being active, but I should be back now, and I wanted to create something crazy, so this is what I created. So if you like what you see, then keep on watching. I'll show you all the products I've used, how I used it. I will also put the details of the products I've used in the description box down below. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my eyes first, and I'm going to use my Double Wear concealer on my eyelid. You can use eyeshadow primer or something like that. I prefer concealer just because it evens out my skin tone on my eyelid. Just gonna take my beauty sponge, press it into my skin. Now I'm gonna go in my translucent powder. I'm gonna use my Lauder Merciers, dipping my translucent powder in it, and I'm just gonna set my eyes. For today's look, I'm going to use my new palette. It's by Natasha Denona. I've been wanting a Natasha Denona palette for so long. You can see I've kind of played with it, and I am absolutely in love with this quality of this palette. I was gonna buy another one during Christmas time from Sephora, but the one that I really liked was out of stock, so I decided not to get it because the other colors didn't excite me so much. But when I came across this one recently, I was like, I have to have it, so I got it. So first I'm gonna go in is with this pink color here. I'm taking it on a fluffy brush. I'm taking very little, you can see, and this is going to go in my crease, and I'm going to blend it out while I do put the color in. Next, I'm going to take a dome sort of pencil brush, and I'm going to take this dark purple color in here, and this color is going on my outer corner first because I am going to do my inner corner with this. You can choose a flat brush if you wanted to. I'm just making a V shape out of it. You don't have to be perfect doing this because I am going to use my concealer and clean the middle of my eye. So I'm making sure that I'm kind of blending the pinky purple with the dark purple. Now I'm going to take the same color and I'm going to go in my inner corner and create a V shape again, just like the outer corner. And I am merging the top of that purple together. I'm gonna go in my fluffy brush, and the first color I used, that was the pinky purple, I'm just going to go again in my crease and blend that purple and pink together. To go in my concealer, which is by Estee Lauder, and I'm just gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to take a small flat brush, and I'm just going to create kind of like a upside down triangle. So basically it's going to be wide on the top and narrowing down at the bottom. It doesn't have to be pointy because that will look weird, but just a guideline to what sort of shape do you want. Doesn't matter if it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna shape it again. So it should kind of look like this. It's not perfect, but I just kind of got crazy with it. Now I'm gonna go in with the same purple color that I put on the outer corner. I'm just going to shape the area. So basically make it look like an upside down triangle. Can you tell I'm kind of like carving it now? So it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just as long as it's kind of like carving in and out. Eyes should kind of look like this, and now I'm going to go in and put this beautiful gold color. I'm going to take a sponge brush and just pack this on the empty area. There's quite a bit of fallout, so I have to be very careful. Now I'm going to carry on doing my face. I know it looks a bit crazy, but it's going to come along really, really well. So I'm just going to take makeup remover on a Q-tip. Going to remove any sparkles and any fallout, which was quite a bit. Alright, next thing I'm going to go in is my Soleil face drop, and this is in Unicorn Essence. And this will just hydrate my skin. I do have a moisturizer on. I do want to glow, so I am going to go in my Ole Henriksen's Banana Bright Primer. And this is going to go all over my face as well. Next thing I'm going to go in is my Pro Concealer by LA Girl in Orange. I'm just going to color correct my under eyes, take a very little product. Just going to use my finger and just press the product into my skin. To give me a nice glow underneath, I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown Illuminating Stick. It's a glow stick called Bikini. I'm just going to put this on top here, a little bit here, on my nose, and a little bit here. For my foundation, I'm going to go in with my Estee Lauder. This one is Spice Sand. I'm going to use this today. Now I'm going to take my Watermelon Mist by Glow Recipe. And before I blend my foundation, I'm just going to spray that product, and then I'm going to go in and blend that foundation. As you can see, that highlight is just so gorgeous underneath the skin. And this way you don't have to put a highlighter on top of your skin or on top of your foundation, or you can intensify it by a powder highlighter. Now I'm going to go in with my Estee Lauder concealer and just do my under eyes. I'm going to set my eyes with my translucent powder by Mercier, the one I use to set my eyelid. And I'm just going to press the product into my skin so I can set it. I'm going to carry on doing my eyes, and I'm going to go in with this dark purple. You okay, baby? I'm just going to take this dark purple and I'm just going to line my bottom lashes. And I'm not going to take it all over into my inner corner. I'm just going to stop it where my lashes stop. Take my liquid eyeliner by Lakme, and I'm just going to draw a very thin line. I'm not going to make it look like a wing liner, just a thin line up top on my lash line. I'm just going to curl my lashes with my Shiseido lash curler. I'm going to just put mascara on my eyes. I'm going to use my Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. While my lashes are drying, I'm going to do my brows and then probably do my face and then put fake lashes on. I'm just going to take a spoolie or the back of my brow pencil and just brush this. And the brow pencil I'm using is very similar to the one I used to use, which is finally finished, sadly. It's the Hourglass brow pencil, and this is by Mecca Max, and it's actually pretty good as well. The only thing I don't like, it's too dark for me, and this one is probably the right color because the other one was black and blonde, so none of those would have suited me. This one's dark, so I'm guessing it's dark brown. So I'm not shaping my brow, I'm just filling the gaps. I finally got bushy brows, and when I do shape them, they look really, really bushy. So I'm just filling it freehand. I'm not shaping or being precise. I'm gonna take my smoothie and just brush my brows again. Boom, $20 pencil, that's not too bad. I might as well finish my face and then I'll put my lashes on because it just makes sense, kind of. So for my bronzer, I'm going to use my Too Faced bronzer. This is Too Faced Chocolate Gold. I think this was limited edition, I'm not sure, but it's a beautiful bronzer with gold highlight in it. So I'm going to use this and just shape my face. My cheeks, I'm going to use my Sleek like this. I love this palette, as you can see. I'm going to use this pink here. It has a little bit of sheen in it, so it's going to look very, very luminous on my skin. I'm not going to put highlighter because I've already got that beautiful luminous highlighter underneath, and this has shine in it as well, so it's just going to give me that glow as well as the highlight. I'm taking very small little steps and product so that it doesn't go crazy. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes. To cover the lash band, I'm gonna use my Lakme liquid liner again and just put a layer of it on top of my lash band, basically. You don't have to do this, but I'm just going to take my mascara and just put it on my lashes, the fake ones, and kind of merge my fake ones with my actual lashes. For my lips, I'm going to keep them quite neutral because my eyes are really, really intense. I'm going to go in with my Chi lip liner. This is finished. Okay. So I'm going to go in with my Avon lip liner. This is called Neutral. It's basically a nude liner, so if you don't have the same brand, just get a similar color. For my lipstick, I'm going to use my Essence matte lipstick. This one almost looks like a NYX lipstick. I always get confused with this one. This is a new one called Duck Face. It's a beautiful nude sort of brown with a hint of pink. So final touch, I'm just going to spray my MAC Fix Plus in Gold Light. And I've got this beautiful fan that I took off my sister because she got this as a gift from her friend from Japan, and when she moved, she left this with her other stuff and I found it. So I'm gonna just use this to dry my face. Alright, so this is it. This is the final look. Just gonna take this off, and I've got my hair colored and cut and it feels so much better now. I don't know what earrings or jewelry I'm gonna wear. I've got this ring here. It's like a princess ring, like a tiara. I'm like obsessed with tiaras and crowns and stuff. So I love wearing crowns or tiaras. I actually have a crown, but it's packed somewhere in our old home. So, but yeah, this is the final look. This is how the eyes look. They look really intense, obviously. I wouldn't recommend it for daytime unless you're daring. But I mean, you can wear this at nighttime, depending on what outfit you're wearing, where you're going, how crazy the atmosphere is going to be. If it's very, very formal, don't do it. If it's more like a young sort of hip, I don't know, party, you can definitely wear this. So, or Indian outfit. I mean, Indian outfit goes with pretty much any makeup look, just depends on the color, the combo, etc, etc. Do we get makeup on this? I don't know. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, entertaining, fun. I don't know if it was entertaining or fun. I get very serious when I'm doing my video. I don't know why. I just get very, very focused and just 1, 2, 3 bar, you know. But I'll try be more relaxed. But at least hopefully you found this video helpful. Maybe you learned some tips and tricks from it. Maybe got some ideas what you can create for your future look for a party or just for fun. Share this video who would also maybe find this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can follow me on my Instagram and Facebook and Snapchat as well. It's Brown Panda Beauty. I have been quite quiet lately just because life, but I'm back and I'm going to carry on doing my videos. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a beautiful day and be happy and positive. I'll see you guys later. Bye.